Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video on the Digital Anki YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a transparent sticky header in WordPress with Elementor. So I have created a couple of demo for you. So this is the dark version of the demo. So what happens is when you scroll the header, it becomes smaller and the background color changes. As you can see, the logo also shrinks. When you scroll backward, it will grow. And it also works great on responsive mobile devices. Also, we can do this on a white version if you have a lighter background. When you scroll, it transforms to a white background if you have a dark logo to make it look clearer. So if you are ready for this amazing tutorial, let's get started. So I'm going to use this test header for this tutorial purpose. Just go to your dashboard. From there, go to Elementor Pro theme builder under templates. Okay guys, if you are new to the Elementor Pro theme builder, then you must watch my basic tutorial on Elementor. I have provided the link in the description box for your convenience. Watch the video completely and then come back to this video so that you will get a clearer idea as to what I'll be showing in this tutorial. If you don't have Elementor Pro, then don't worry, just click on the Get Elementor Pro link in the description box and install the plugin onto your website, and then you're good to go. So now click on Add New and choose header from the drop down option, and you gotta name it. I'll type Thailand dark header. Click on create the template. Close this away. You can create transparent or dark menu, but for this tutorial I'm gonna show you the white version. In the back end you don't see anything because it's already white here. So once we click and save and come here and refresh, you'll see the difference. Alright, I'm so excited guys, because I'm showing this transformation tutorial. So I'm gonna add a 2-column section, logo on the left and now menu on the right. Now drag and drop the image widget for the logo. Now I'm gonna select the white version of the logo because we are gonna create a dark or transparent background. Click insert and make sure it's aligned, and drag and drop the nav menu widget. Make sure you have already created the menu. If you don't know, then click the above link to watch the tutorial on how to create the menu and then come back to this video. Now let's make some adjustment. I'll make this white. The first thing you want to do here is the alignment. As you can see, the menu is not vertically aligned in the middle, so is your logo. So what I want you to do is click this column and from here select the vertical align to the middle. Similarly, select the logo column and put it in middle. Also go to advanced and always uncheck the padding and do the same for this column. Now let's click on publish and see how our header looks on the live page. You have the liberty to set where your header should be displayed. I'm going to choose just that one single page, Thailand dark header. Click save and close. Go to your page and click on refresh. Now it's not transparent, so let's make it transparent. So click on this main section and go to the advanced option, unlink the margin, and then we have to give a negative value so that the content beneath the header moves up. So I'm gonna put -90. As you can see, the content moves 90 pixels up. Now we'll set the menu height. Just go to layout and under height, minimum height, and put that on 90. Also click the main section and set the Z index to maybe like 10, which means our header section stays on top of other section. Click on update and go back to your page and click refresh. Now you can see our header menu is transparent. Alright, now the first step to make it sticky is just select the main section and go to advanced and scroll down, select the motion effect and then toggle on the sticky option and put that on top. Update again and go back to the page and click refresh. See, now it's sticky. Awesome, right? So now we have to add custom CSS code to achieve that animation effects. So I have created a page for that. You will find that on the description box. I'll show you the step-by-step process, so make sure to follow the same and not just copy paste the entire code I have provided in the link. Now copy this section and paste it here See, now what happens here is this code applies the RGB background color, and then it will also give a nice transition at 1 second. Now click on save and go back to the page and refresh. The background color already applied from the top, which is not what we are looking for. We want it to start from transparent and then the color. Now to do that, go to advanced in the main section and go to motion effect, and then put this effect offset to 100. So that means this effect will start at 100 pixels. Click on update and go to the page and refresh. Now it will start with the transparent, and when you scroll you will see the background color. Also, if you want to increase the opacity to pitch black or something, just go back to the CSS and give it 1, or if you want less transparent, then give it a 0.7 or whichever number you are comfortable. Just play around with it, you'll get it right. Click on update and go back to the page and hit refresh. Cool. Now let's make the logo smaller, because it doesn't look good if you have a huge logo like this. Now to change the height of the header section container, when you scroll, you need to copy this code and click enter, paste it. So what happens is the header will change from 90 pixel to 70 pixel when you start scrolling. Click on save and refresh. As you can see, our menu becomes smaller, but this logo is still huge. Now you have to paste large portion of the code, copy this section and paste it here. So this means the logo image, this one right here, will have a max width of 140 pixel at the beginning, and then when you scroll it goes to with a 1 second transition. Click on update and refresh. Well, it isn't working because we have used a CSS ID for the logo, this one dot logo. So now we need to show Elementor that this is the logo we are referring to, and then we'll see what happens. Just click on the image here and go to advanced under CSS classes, put that ID logo. You must have noticed it's already working. Alright, click on update and go back to the page and click refresh. There you go. Awesome, right? Now let me demonstrate to you how it works. Keep an eye on the logo. I'll start scrolling. As you can see, the logo becomes smaller. Let us see how it looks on the responsive mobile devices. Go here and click on mobile. It's a little bit messy. We have to adjust it. So what you can do is just click on this logo column and give it a 50 width, and also give 50 width to your menu. Well, the menu toggle button is not visible, so let's just style it. Background color, put that on transparent, and color make it white, and make sure it's right aligned. And also you need to give a little bit of space on the inside. So click on this main section and go to advanced, unlink the padding and put 20 to the left and 20 to the right. Make sure the drop down looks good. You can position it to the center. You can change the background to the back or white from here. Just play around with it and you will get it right. So that's it, guys. Now we have the nice looking sticky header. So hope you guys have enjoyed and learned something new in this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section about your experience doing this, or if you have any doubts regarding this, feel free to ask me a question in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So if you are new around here, please consider subscribing to Digital Anki YouTube channel, because a lot of cool videos on Elementor will be coming soon. Thank you guys. See you in my next interesting video. As always, keep learning new things and share your knowledge. Peace out.